simple. My name is Benino, and today we'll go over some example practice problems of expressions. Here is the first problem. So, here we can combine some like terms. We have a 3x squared and a negative x squared. We can combine those to form 2x squared. Now let's look for other like terms that we can combine. Oh, here we have a plus 4x cubed and a plus 2x cubed. Guess what? That makes 6x cubed. It's just like adding the 4 and the 2 and then putting the x cubed back in there. So it's 6x cubed. Now we only have two more terms left, 5 and 9. How do we know those are our only terms left? Well, the rest are circled right here and written down right here. So now we know that we only have 5 and 9. Let's go ahead and combine those. 5 plus 9 is 14. So we have plus 14. This is our answer. I hope you got that one too. Now let's move on to the next problem. This is the second problem. It's a little tricky because it has distribution. Now we're going to distribute the 5 into the x plus 2. So there will be 5 times the x and 5 times the 2. 5 times x is 5x. And then 5 times 2 is 10. So it's plus 10. Now let's copy the rest. We can look for like terms now. We have a 5x here and a 7x here. Those combined make 12x, so let's write that down. And now we can copy the rest. Now we realize we have a 10 and a 3. Those combined make 7. So 12x plus 10 minus 3 is 7 minus y. This is our answer, and I hope you got that one too. Now we know that evaluating expressions is really quite simple. Subscribe below and I'll see you in the next video where we make math simple.